Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm. I'm not sure. It could be premium, it could be luxe, because this is a luxe month, okay? But the only way we're gonna be able to find out is to dig in, okay? So let's do just that. For those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below so that you'll be readily available if you decide you want to try it out for yourself, okay? So let's just, it's the Luxe box, okay? How do I know? Because it says so right there, okay? So let's just, oh, there is a smell coming out of this box. It almost smells like pepper. Whew, okay, let's just go ahead and see what's inside. So, we're back to an old school card. Look at that. Okay. So I have, this is the summer 2022 Luxe box. So let's just get started. So the first item that I pulled out is by WISHFUL, and it is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. And it says it's a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin, okay? The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visually reduces the appearance of pores, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $43. It is a 55 gram or 1.94 ounce size. And it says it's suitable for all skin types and it is dermatologist tested. It has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. Let's see. Now, WISHFUL's packaging is always really nice, so let's just see. Yep. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. And I'm not ready to actually use this particular product yet, but it says gentle, simple, and effective. All right. So when we're ready to use this one, you'll be the first one to know. So that is the first item. Our second item is by NARS. And this is the iconic lipstick. It says no rules, just lips. A new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils, enhance color, vibrancy, and conditions lips for radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $28. Now this one is a 0.12 ounce size, and this one has a 24-month shelf life. So yes, we will be swatching this one. And the shade I have is called, wow, something, Portuguese Matte. This is the shade right here. Can you see that name? Pronounce it for me. Come on, help a girl out. Go ahead and pronounce it for me. So let's just go ahead and see. Oh, I love this shade. Boy, if I didn't have this one on right now, let's see what it does to this. It didn't really do too much when I put it on, so let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh, I love this. I love that. It almost has like a purplish hue to it. You see that? Okay, Yes, NARS. Yes, thank you. All right, and that is item number 2. So let's keep moving. The next one that we have is by, it's by UV Beauty, and it's the BU Limited Collection. And it says the BU collection includes 3 full-size and 3 mini antibacterial blenders to keep your skin cleaner and prettier by preventing bacterial growth throughout. The cloud-like texture sets your makeup in the softest, most effortless way. Okay. While also preserving your costly creams, liquids, powders. Now this is a new brand to Boxy, and the manufacturer suggested retail price. I'm trying to show it to you real good right here. So you will know this box right here, the items in this box. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $85. These things better be amazing. Not tested on animals, 99% bacterial free, free to be you, and it says the world's cleanest makeup blender. Be unique, be united, be you. So, oh, they are all individually wrapped, y'all, okay? So bear with me. There's this one. Then there's this one, and this one, and this one, and we have 2 more, and these 2. That is a total handful, okay? So these are the 6 blenders that were in the BU box, okay? All right, so that's item number 3 with 6 items in it. How about that? The next item that we have is by Keys Soul Care, and this is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. This is Alicia Keys' brand, y'all. And it says it's a hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $26. Let me tell you something. I am feeling this. Why? Because this is affordable skincare. Affordable, $26, and this is a 1.01 fluid ounce size, and it says you give yourself permission to glow. I like. It's cruelty-free, vegan, a clean formula, and dermatologist developed, and it has a 6-month shelf life. I'm not surprised because it is a clean product. All right, so let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. We're not going to open this yet because there is only a 6-month shelf life. Oh, nice packaging. It looks just like the outer packaging. Here we go. Okay, so that one is item number 4. Let's keep going. The next one is by Day, and this is the cactus. This is what I was smelling. Ooh, this is really strong. Okay, I'm sorry, I digress. This is the Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner, and it says this conditioner may provide heat protection up to 450 degrees, but it is carefully formulated for more than just that. The botanical blend also prevents breakage, repairs damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus, it carries Day's signature citrus scent, aka smells heavenly. Maybe it's something else in here. because no, it's not this product. It's the top, but it's not the product itself. Okay, nonetheless. All right, this is a 5 fluid ounce size, and it says it is vegan, cruelty free, with no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, sulfates, parabens, or synthetic fragrance. I hope that this has a lengthy shelf life because I really want to open it and smell it. Yes, it does. It has a 24-month shelf life. So let's see. Oh my God. It really does smell good. Oh my God, that smells amazing. Okay, so I look forward to using this. However, y'all know, you already know about my hair care. You already know where that comes from. So nonetheless, that's item number 5, and we are still not finished. Whew. Oh my God, this smell is really, really strong, y'all. It's really strong. So I don't know. There's nothing in this box that smells, that could possibly smell like this, unless it's the paper or something. Anyway, the next product we have is by Elements, and this is the Clarifying Clay Wash. Now let me tell you something. I love Elements products. Love them. Okay, they are amazing on my skin. However, right now, I was trying out a little something different. Can't say that I won't go back to this, but I definitely love Elements products. This says it deeply cleanses pores and reduces the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash, specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin. The non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities, hawthorn extract to help leave the skin feeling soothed, and boldo leaf extract to improve the look of skin clarity. This balancing cleanser also helps to visibly improve the look of skin texture whilst minimizing the look of blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Okay. Gentle enough for daily use, it leaves skin looking clearer, less oily, and more even with every wash. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this product right here is $49. Now that's really not bad for an Elements product because they are expensive. And this one is a 5 ounce size. I apologize, they're doing the yard. It has a 12-month shelf life. It says massage into damp skin and rinse off. Use daily, morning and evening. I like. Let's see. It smells a little strong, but it could be because it's been closed up all this time. All right, so that's the next item. And then the last item that we have is by Beauty Bakery. And this is the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. Toast to good times and major sweet cheeks with 4 rose flushed shades. This matte and metallic sheens will leave you feeling light and bubbly, so celebrate with a second serving of the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $38. Now, as you heard, it is 4 of them in this package. This is what the inside packaging looks like. I love Beauty Bakery's package. Oh, nice. It's a magnetic clothes box. Look at that. How cool is that? And there is no mirror, but here is the actual palette. Okay, we want to swatch it. Let's just swatch. Okay, it's only 4 of them. We can swatch them all, right? Okay, So here we go right here. The top one is Sip Sip Hooray. The second one is 24-hour champagne diet. That's this one right here. Then the third one is no champagne, no gain. And the last one is stop and smell the roses. Okay, they are a little shimmery for me for a blush. I would probably put my regular blush on and put this like just slightly over the top so we get a really nice pop. Okay, I have someone's makeup that I'm doing soon, and she told me her makeup, what she likes is all about the cheeks. So this may work. So I'll probably take this one with me on that day. See if this is something that she can appreciate. Okay, so what do we think of BoxyCharm's BoxyLuxe for this month? This was very interesting. There is no eyeshadow palette, but believe it or not, I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. But I do like this. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. We have a nice blend. We have hair care, skin care. We have tools. We have new products. I'm okay with this. And of course, we have a lipstick. So I'm not mad at BoxyCharm this month. Thank you very much. Well, it's a BoxyLuxe. I'm okay with that. But okay, so what are your thoughts on this box? Let me know down below how you're feeling about what we see. I need your help. This channel is not just for me, it is for you as well. Are we okay sticking with BoxyCharm and its now sister company? Because we can order from another brand. We can be introduced to something new every month. This is my thing. Now they seem to be crossing over. BoxyCharm and Ipsy, we're having items in both that used to be separate before, but now that they are sister companies, we seem to be getting them alternating between each other. So think about it. Let me know down below your thoughts. I have another box. I think we're going to go ahead and check that one out and see how we like it and see if that's one that we will keep. Okay, well, since this was about BoxyCharm and this was about the BoxyLuxe, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed the BoxyLuxe for the month of June 2022. And these are the items that were enclosed in this month's box. Down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.